Hey everyone! If you don't like big, bulky pockets but still want to be prepared, check this out. First, we have the duty belt. It's not just for looks. It holds my radio so I can get updates quickly, handcuffs just in case I need them. I also have my flashlight. Believe me, you don't want to be caught in the dark. And then we have gloves and of course, my badge. Everything has its spot, so I'm ready for whatever happens during my shift. So there you have it, a quick look at my gear. It's simple, useful, and always works when I need it. Kumusta mga kaibigan? Kung ayaw ninyo ng bulky na bulsa pero gusto pa rin maging handa, panoorin ninyo ito. Una, ang duty belt ko, hindi lang ito para porma. Dito nakalagay ang radyo ko para sa mabilis na updates, posas para sa mga what-if moments. Nandito rin ang flashlight ko, promise, ayaw ninyong madilim, gloves, at syempre, ang badge ko. May lugar ang bawat gamit, para handa ako sa kahit anong mangyari sa shift ko. Ayan mabilis ang tingin sa gamit ko. Simple, practical at maasahan palagi.